a spirit bear, a white variant of the black bear. Fewer than 150 exist, and they're found only here. This female has fished for salmon here for 20 years. Get your timing right, and there can be great rewards. In her youth, she was, in fact, even more successful than the black bears. Perhaps her pale coat makes it difficult for the fish to see her against the bright sky, and that could give her an advantage. But now, she is old, and this year, she's finding it hard. Her fishing skills, however, haven't totally deserted her. This annual feast helps her to fatten, ready for the winter ahead.